Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these DIY custom press-on nails at home. If you guys are interested, then definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more nail tutorials and videos. I'm going to do a little review first of the Born Pretty products, and then we'll get started into the tutorial. So Born Pretty sent me some of their nail colors to try out and review. So I thought I would just do some swatches for you guys just so we can see the colors, and then we'll get started with the nail designs and the press-ons. So I'm just gonna start by unboxing these. Thank you Born Pretty also for sending me these. Also, I have a 10% off coupon code that you guys can use. I will link it for you guys in the description box below so you guys can check out their products. But let's get started. Also sent me their nail brush, so we're just gonna use some of these colors today for the nail designs that I'm gonna do. And yeah, so these ones are all milky colors, and then this one I think is just a regular pink gel color. I may also incorporate another some other colors as well from another brand, just to like get the design that I want. Okay, so here are the shades. Super pretty. I don't know if you guys can see them, but anyways, we're gonna try to I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna try to use as many of these colors as I can for the nail design. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using one of these jelly nude colors from Beetles as the base of the ring finger. I'm going to be doing a zebra design on that nail, and I'm going to do 2 coats for that and cure in between. And then for the middle finger, I'm using the milky white jelly color from Born Pretty. And I'm also going to be doing 2 coats for that, and then in between each coat I'm going to cure for about 60 seconds. So now I'm just going in with my second coat again of that sheer white jelly color. Also, you guys, I forgot to buff the surface of the nails, so just make sure you buff the surface of the nails like you normally would before painting the colors on top, just so the surface is not shiny. But anyways, I'm also applying that nude color again on the ring finger. I'm going to be taking the pink color from Born Pretty and a sponge tool that I got off from Shein, but I'm just dabbing it in the center and just kind of creating like an ombre effect a little bit, and just, yeah, that's all I did really. It looked super cute. I liked how the color turned out. And then I cured that afterwards for 30 seconds. Now I'm taking this builder gel, and I know you're not supposed to use your fingers for this. I did, but then afterwards I did wash my hands, so just make sure that you're using gloves just to protect your hands from the gel. But basically I was rolling the gel out, and then I decided to cut out like 5 pieces so I can use to create a 5-piece flower design. So that's what I was doing, and I just ended up molding the shape into a flower eventually with the silicone tool there that you see me using. Everything that I'm using, by the way, I'll link it down below, but they're all mostly from Amazon, so super affordable. And I just keep on molding it until I get the desired shape that I want. And then I cured that afterwards for 30 seconds, and then I took a white color here by Beetles. It's the liner brush, and I just kind of made some lines to define the petals a little bit more of the flower. Now for the zebra nail, I'm going back into that one, but I decided to do a white French tip, and just take your time doing them. I'm honestly not perfect at doing them as well. Whenever I make a mess, which as you can see I did, I literally just take a flat brush and some alcohol and I clean it up before I cure it. And then once I'm happy with it, I'll go ahead and cure that and then do 2 coats as well. Now I'm doing 2 coats of that nude color for the index finger, and I'm going to cure that in between each coat. And I kind of went back and forth with the nails, but I went back to the zebra design and I took a black polish and I just kind of made some lines there that were really thin as much as possible. I don't know, I kind of just free-handed it, and once I was happy with the way it looked, I cured that. Back to the index finger, I'm going to be applying some blooming gel. This one is by Beetles, and I'm not going to cure it. And then I'm going to take that pink color again from Born Pretty and a dotting tool, and I'm just going to create dots on the nail with a little pattern. And once I was happy with how it turned out and how it bloomed, then I went ahead and cured that for 30 seconds. I really like how this pink looks. It's like a perfect Barbie pink. I'm so obsessed. Now for the pinky, I don't know, I thought I would just keep it really simple, so I just painted it that pink color from Born Pretty. And then I also took that pink color and I added it as the, what's that called? Like the middle part of the flower. I just added like a dot there to make it look more pink. And then I did the pink color also on the thumb. Now I'm using that metal painting gel that Born Pretty has also provided me. It's like a metallic silver. It's super pretty and kind of has like, it's just like a metallic chrome. It's really nice. But I took a dotting tool and I drew a heart on the thumb. You can use a liner brush if you want. I just used a dotting tool because I thought it was a little bit more easier to create the heart. But I don't know, I thought I would just make a heart and it turned out pretty afterwards, so I was pretty happy with it. And then off camera, I did end up drawing like a little bit of lines below the heart to make it look like the heart was dripping. But I didn't really film that part, but that's what it looked like. And that's it. And then I'm taking my top coat here by Beetles and I'm applying that on all of the nails and then curing for 60 seconds. And this is how they turned out. I really liked it. For the nail prep, I'm not going to go in depth with that. You can definitely check out my other videos on how I prep my nails. But I did go ahead and clean my cuticles. And then I took a alcohol and a lint-free white pad and just got rid of any oils on my nails. Then I took nail glue that I got off of Amazon. It has a kind of strong smell, so it kind of did irritate my eyes a little bit. So just be careful when you're using them. But I applied the nail glue on the nail and also onto my actual nail, and I applied at a 45-degree angle, and that's it. That's how they turned out. I really liked how they look. Super pink and pretty. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.